Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some questions based on vectors, and this is JEE previous year questions. Disclaimer: the images, text and other materials used in our presentations are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners. If you are the owner and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the content immediately. Please note that parts of the content may have been generated using generative AI, which is experimental. So, in today's lecture, we will solve some questions related to vectors, which will strengthen your understanding of vector concepts. So these questions might seem a bit tough right now, but they just actually are not. In upcoming lectures, when we solve problems related to vectors, such as topic like motion in a plane, motion in a straight line, this will be very helpful. So try to understand this well. So our first question: if A vector, B vector and C vector are such that the relation is A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0, where mode of A vector means magnitude of A vector is equal to 7, magnitude of B vector is equal to 5 and magnitude of C vector is 3 are given. The angle between vector B and vector C is what? So in this question, you have to find out the angle between B vector and C vector. Given options: option A 60 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 45 degree and option D 90 degree. So which one is correct? Or we can say which one is the angle between B vector and C vector. You have some time to solve this question. After that, we will provide the solution or we will solve the question. Please solve this question. So the correct answer is 60 degree. Solution. Now according to question, listen carefully. We have a vector plus V vector plus C vector is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now what will be the B vector plus C vector from the given equation? So it will be B vector plus C vector is equal to minus A vector. So here we have to find the angle between B vector and C vector according to question. Now when we take the mode and square both sides of this equation, B vector plus C vector is equal to minus A vector, you will be get mode of B vector plus C vector square is equal to mode of A square. So solving this term B vector mode of B, you will be get B vector mode of, when we solving this we will get mode of V vector square plus mode of C vector square plus 2 into B vector dot C vector. This one, where A, which is equal to A vector. Clear? Now just substitute the value of B vector is it will become 5 square. Mode of C vector is 3, it will be 3 square. Now 2 B dot C and it is equal to mode of A and that is 7 square. So 5 when we solving this, you will be 25 plus 9 and equate and minus this term 5 square plus 9 square minus 49 square. So you will be get 15 and the remaining term is 2 into b dot c, and when we resolve this dot product we will get 2 into mod of b vector mod of c vector cos theta. So 49 minus 34 is equal to 15 and 2 into mod of b vector is this one 5, mod of c vector is 3 and cos theta which is equal to 15. Now we have to find out the theta. So it will become cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is what? Pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Clear? Here cos theta is equal to 60 degree. So A is correct. Second question. A particle acted on by a constant forces, and that is 4 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap, and 3 I cap plus j cap minus k cap is displaced from the point, and the point is this one. Initial point is this one, I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap, and final point is this one, 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap. The total work done by the forces is what? So here you have to find out the total work done. More about the work done you already studied in previous classes like 9th class. So what is the work done? Please solve this question. Given options, option is 50 units, option B 20 units, option C 30 units, and option D 40 units. So correct answer is 40 units. Solution. So according to question, we have a two forces. F1 is this one, 4 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap, and F2 is 3 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Now we add both the forces F1 and F2. So you will be get 4 I cap plus 3 I cap is equal to 7 I cap plus j cap is equal to 2 j cap minus 3 k cap minus k cap is equal to minus 4 k cap. Yes or no? Now this is the net force. What about the displacement? So here initial position is this one and final position is this one. Now you have to find the net displacement. So position of vector B minus position of vector A. So you will be get 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. From this is the final position, this one, and this is the initial position. So 5 I cap minus I cap is 4 I cap, 4 j cap minus 2 j cap is equal to 2 j cap, and my k cap minus 3 k cap you will be get minus 2 k cap. This comes from like this. Suppose we have a final position is I cap according to question, I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap minus the bracket start 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap. So solving this you will be get this one, 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. So this is just final minus initial. Now what is the formula of work done? That is force into displacement. So the value of force is this one. and value of displacement is this one. So take dot product. So 7 into 4. 7 4 ja 28. Yes or no? Or 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. So minus minus plus. So it become 28 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to what? 40 units. So D option is correct. Let A vector and B vector be two vectors such that magnitude of vector B is equal to 1 and mode of B vector into A vector is equal to 2. Then what is the value of this one? Mode square of mode B into A minus B vector is equal to what? So which one is correct option? Given option A is 3, option B is 5, option C 1 and option D 4. You have to calculate this one, this value. So which one is correct? Solve the question. So our correct answer is B. Solution. So according to question, the magnitude of B vector is 1 and mode of B cross A is equal to 2. So here we know vector triple product. So suppose this one, B cross into A dot B is equal to B dot B cross A is equal to 0. Now we have a find out the value of this term. So just take the dot product between these two relation. Mode of B cross A minus B vector and multiply with vector B into A vector minus B vector mode. So just multiply both, you will be get this one, this value. Mode of B cross A vector whole square plus mode of B vector square. Clear? So 4 plus 1, the value is given. The mode of B cross A is equal to 2. So it will be square of this value is 4 and square of magnitude of B vector is 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So it will be equal to 5. This one. Let U vector is equal to I cap minus J cap minus 2 K cap. And V vector is equal to 2 I cap plus J cap minus K cap. So here the value of U and value of V is given. So we have a two vectors, U vector and V vector. Now V vector dot W vector is equal to 2 and V vector cross W vector is equal to U vector plus lambda V vector. So this one is given, this and this value. Then what is the dot product? U dot W is equal to what? Please solve this question. The given option A is 1, option B is 3 by 2, option C 2 and option D minus 2 by 3. Please solve. These questions might seem a bit tough right now, but they actually are not. In upcoming lectures, when we solve problems related to vectors such as topic like motion in a plane, motion in a straight line, laws of motion, gravitation, work energy power. So this will be very helpful. So try to understand this well. So this is the just basic concept. So our correct option is A. Solution. So we have a u vector, the I, the coefficient of I cap is 1, coefficient of j cap is -1, and 2 k cap is 2. So coordinates is 1 -1 -2. Similarly for v vector it is 2 1 -1, and the given that b vector dot w vector is equal to 2. So taking the cross product, that is also given this one, v cross w is equal to u plus lambda v, and let this is equation first. So taking dot with w in equation first, so you will be get w dot v vector into w vector is equal to u vector dot v vector plus lambda v vector dot w vector. So this is just a dot product. So solving this, you will be get 0 equal to u vector dot w vector plus 2 lambda. So after taking the dot product, you will be get this one, and just substitute the value. So 0 equal to 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus lambda into 6. So lambda equal to -1 by 2. So u dot w is equal to -2 lambda. So the value of lambda is 1. Let a vector is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus lambda k cap, and b vector is equal to 3 I cap minus 5 j cap minus lambda k cap, and it will be also given a dot c vector is equal to 7, and 2b vector into c vector plus 43 equal to 0. So and a cross c is equal to b cross c, and then find the mode of a vector, mode of a dot b vector is equal to what? Please solve this question. So correct answer is 8. Solution. So according to question, the given terms a vector is this one and b vector is equal to this one, I cap plus 2 j cap plus lambda k cap, and v vector is 3 I cap minus 5 j cap minus lambda k cap, and a dot c equal to 7. So this is all given in this question. Now a cross c minus b cross c equal to 0 vector. 0 vector means null vector. So a vector minus v vector cross c vector is equal to 0. So a vector minus b vector is parallel to c vector. So we can say a vector minus v vector is equal to mu times of c vector, where mu is a scalar term. So just solve this question. You will be get minus 2 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 lambda k cap is equal to mu into c. So our next step is a dot c is equal to 7. So it gives 2 lambda square plus 12 is equal to 7 mu. And b dot c is equal to minus 43 divided by 2 gives 4 lambda square plus 82 is equal to 43 mu. So the value of mu is equal to 2 and lambda square is equal to 1. So the what is the dot product, or we can say mode of a dot b is equal to 8. A vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 5 j cap, and v vector is equal to 6 I cap minus 3 j cap. So there are two vectors are given. And C vector is such that C vector is equal to A cross B. So this is a relation between A vector, B vector and C vector. Now you have to find out the mode of A vector, ratio of mode of A vector, ratio mode of B vector, ratio mode of C vector. What is the ratio? Please find. Given options, option A is under root 34 ratio, under root 45 ratio, under root 39 ratio. Option B is under root 34 ratio, under root 45 ratio, 39. And option C is 34, 39, 45. And option D 39 ratio, 35 ratio, 34. So which one is correct? Please solve this question. So you have a sufficient time to solve this question. What is the answer? What is the answer of this question? A, B, C or D? There is a two vector is given. So the correct option is this one. Solution. So the A cross B is given. This one. A cross B. So A vector is 3 I cap minus 5 j cap. Listen carefully. B vector is 6 I cap plus 3 j cap. Now take the cross product using the determinant method. So according to the determinant method, I cap, j cap, k cap, the direction respective there along their respective axis, and A vector is 3 minus 5, then along k cap is 0, so that's why 0, and B vector is equal to 6 I cap plus 3, so 6, 3 and 0. So taking the cross product, you will be get 39 k cap, which is approximately, we consider here C vector. C vector is equal to A cross B. So A cross B is this one, so it will be 39 k cap. So mode of A vector is equal to under root 34, this one. How we can calculate of mode of A vector? So under root 3 9 square, and it is 25. So 25 plus 9 is what? Under root 34. And mode of B vector is what? Under root 36 plus 9 is equal to what? Under root 45. And what is the mode of C vector? That is 39. So correct answer is A vector, V vector, ratio of A vector, magnitude of vector A, ratio magnitude of vector B, ratio magnitude of vector C is equal to this one, under root 34, ratio under root 45, and ratio under root 39. So this one is the correct. Clear? Now one question for you. This is a very basic question. Please solve. So suppose we have a two vector. A vector is equal to 3 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. What is the dot product of A vector dot B vector? Please solve. What is the answer? This is a very simple question. What is A dot B? So A dot B is what? So value of A is 3 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, dot B vector is what? I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So taking dot product, it will be 3 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. Clear? Now one more question. Suppose b vector is equal to j cap plus k cap. So what is the answer? Dot product of a and b. What is a dot b? So we know a vector is 3 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and b vector is j cap plus k cap. So it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So correct answer is 2. Now one more question. So value of b vector is 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus k cap. Now what is the a dot b? So a vector dot b vector. So we know a vector is 3 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Dot b vector is 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus k cap. So you will be get 6 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 7. Clear? Yes or no? So a vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, and v vector is equal to 6 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. What is the a cross b? Please solve this question. What is a cross b? What is the answer? So 3 minus 2 I cap minus, it will become 4 j cap or plus 14 minus 14 k cap. So this one is correct. Clear? Now a vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap, and v vector is equal to 0 I cap plus 0 k cap j cap plus 1 k plus k cap. Now what is that a cross b? Please solve. A cross b, I cap, j cap, k cap. So a vector is 4, 4, 3, 3, and b is 0, 0 and 1. So I cap 3 minus 0 minus j cap 4 minus 0 and k cap 0 minus 0. So it will be 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 0 k cap. So this is the answer. A vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. What is the A dot B? A dot B is equal to what? 36. Yes or no? So vectors are very important topics for the upcoming lectures when we solve problems related to different chapters like motion in a plane, motion in a straight line, laws of motion, gravitation, work, energy and power. So this will be very helpful. Thank you for your attention. Hello students. This is an important thing for you. So in next class, or we can say in upcoming class, so we will learn about chapter. In upcoming class we will learn about units and measurements. Units and measurements. Now in upcoming lectures we will learn about units and measurements. And this is the basic topic that is related to vectors. If you have any doubt related to vectors, vector concept, please ask. If you have any doubt, please ask. So we have two vectors. Okay, so basically the vectors basically the vectors is important for upcoming lectures. We will repeat this concept in chapter motion in a plane, so don't worry. Motion in a plane. So if you have any doubt, please ask in the chat box. So basically work is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Suppose we have a force F is equal to, we have a force F is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So this is the value of force, and the displacement S is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. So in that case, what will be the work done? So the formula is F into D, and we here consider the angle is 0 degree. Theta is equal to 0 degree. So it will be FD cos theta. So F is what? So it will become cos 0 1. So FD. So just take dot product between F and D. So you will be get F 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. 3 k cap, and dot S is what? 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. Now what is the answer? 3 into 6 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 13. Yes or no? Next question. 3 into 2 6, 2 into 3 6, or 3 into 1, it is 3 into 1, it will be 3, right? So it will be 12 and 15, right? If you have any doubt, please ask related to vectors. So cap, suppose we have a cap represents unit vector. This one, this is the representation of unit vector. Unit vector, and whose magnitude is 1. Magnitude is equal to 1. Suppose we have a vector, this one. So the unit vector of the representation is mode of a vector plus a cap. So here a cap is unit vector. Cap represents the, here cap represents the unit. Okay. So first is dot product. Dot product. So suppose we have a two vector, a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and b vector is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then the dot product is a dot b is what? So just substitute the value. You will be get I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and b vector is 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then 2 into 1 into 2. So it will be 2 plus 1 into 2. So 2 plus 3. So it will be 7. So this is the dot product. Mode represents magnitude. It represents magnitude. And cross product. So it will be a vector cross a cross b. So we can solve I, j and k cap. So I is 1, 2, 1, 1 and 1, and b vector is 2 into 2 and 3. So equal to I cap common. So 3 into 1 minus 2 minus j cap and 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus k cap, and it will be 2 into 2. So it will be 0. So I cap minus j cap plus 0 k cap. So this is the cross product. Clear? I cap j cap shows the direction along their respective axes. I cap along x axis, j cap y axis, and k cap z axis. This minus sign, this is minus. We take plus, minus, then plus. Plus minus, then plus. If you have any doubt, please ask. So this is x. Suppose we have a coordinates like this. X axis, this is y axis and z axis, and this is origin O. So the unit vector represents I cap along x axis, j cap along y axis, and k cap along z axis. If we talk about the, suppose a point a vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap. So it means this one is along x axis and this is along y axis. A unit vector, question is what is unit? A unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. Clear? So within 1 or 2 minutes your chemistry class will start. Chemistry class.